In the vast tapestry of human history, one common thread binds us all: the pursuit of the divine. This narrative delves into the mystical beliefs and practices that have transcended cultures and epochs, illuminating the shared human quest for understanding the unknown. In ancient Egypt, the mysterious land of pyramids and pharaohs, the Egyptians worshipped a multitude of gods and goddesses, each with their own unique powers and attributes. Yet, beneath these deities lay an underlying mysticism, the belief in an eternal afterlife and the soul's journey to attain unity with the divine. Fast forward to the enigmatic land of India, where the Hindu scriptures, the Vedas, were revealed to the rishis, or seers, over 5,000 years ago. In Hinduism, mysticism is central, with practices such as yoga and meditation aimed at achieving union with the universal consciousness, or Brahman. Meanwhile, in the mystical land of China, around the same time, Confucianism emerged, emphasizing moral virtue, respect for ancestors, and harmony with the Tao, the cosmic force guiding the universe. Taoist mystics delved deeper, seeking to understand the inherent nature of the universe and attain immortality. Moving west, to the ancient Greek civilization, mysticism was embodied in the Oracle of Delphi, whose prophecies were believed to be divinely inspired. The Greeks also revered the myth of Orpheus, a musician who could charm both gods and beasts, and who journeyed to the underworld to retrieve his beloved Eurydice. In the heart of the Middle East, the mystical traditions of Islam began to take shape. Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam, emphasizes love and devotion to Allah, and seeks to attain a direct, personal experience of God. In the medieval European world, the mystical tradition of Christian mysticism flourished. Figures like Saint John of the Cross and Saint Teresa of Avila sought union with God through profound contemplation and ecstatic experiences. Throughout history, these mystical traditions have provided solace, guidance, and a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. They have served as a beacon of hope, offering a path to transcend our mundane existence and glimpse the divine. In the end, despite the diverse cultures, languages, and beliefs, the pursuit of the divine remains a universal human experience. The mysticism that permeates our history serves as a testament to our shared human quest for understanding, connection, and ultimately, enlightenment.